everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install this beautiful frontal wig. If this looks like something you'd like to see, keep watching. First off, I start with a clean base and then I go on to cut off the excess lace around the ear. Then I go in with my lace glue. Lace glue I'll be using for this tutorial is from Hair by Any. She's on Instagram, you can check her out. So I'm using 4 layers for extreme hold. Lace glue application is very important when installing a frontal to determine how long your lace will hold. So every application, make sure you let it air dry till it's transparent before you go in to next application. So from here, I'll allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. By the way, this will be my first tutorial video, so kindly show some love, subscribe, like and share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.